What's up? It's Gabriel here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be fixing my old laptop. So right now we have a cracked screen. It's all can't see nothing. So what we're gonna do is try to replace the screen, and then I'm going to fix the keyboard. So wish me luck. We'll try to figure it out. Okay guys, first off, we are removing the little bezels, the little cover-up screws with a knife. So it's kind of tricky, but they just pop off. Yep, and I got them. And now, time to take the screen off. That's my other laptop. It works fine. Take it off. And now I need to use a screw to unscrew it. Let's see. We're gonna unscrew it. We're gonna unscrew it at the bottom. We're unscrewing it. These bottom screws. Unscrewing the bottom. Got these two tiny screws. We're gonna put somewhere safe. Let me get a sheet of paper. Sheet of paper. Lay it at the bottom. Okay. And then now, it's time to take the screen off. Okay guys, we have officially taken the LED screen out from the thing. Now it is free. And now this is my computer. So we'll continue. Alright, we have officially taken out the screen. The screen is out of the computer. Here it was. And now I took it out of the computer. So now, move on to the next part. Okay, now I'm putting everything back together. Took the screen out, and now it has no screen. And I'm putting the screws back so that I know where they go until I get a new screen. Screwing them back in. And yeah, hopefully it goes good. What's up guys? I had to take a little short break from the computer because I need to buy new computer parts. I need to buy a new screen for the computer so that I can replace it. This will take a couple of days, so tune in and Tuesday or Wednesday and find out how the new screen goes. Bye-bye. What's up, guys? Today is Thursday, October 28th, and I got a new screen, brand new. This is the old screen, about the same size. We're gonna try to replace it now. So, we'll see. I gotta take the protective stuff off of it. Made major accomplishments. I plugged in the laptop screen and now it's turning on. Woohoo! Yeah, yeah! I have to break the bad news. I lost a screw. I'm pretty upset, so I moved to the kitchen. So we will work on putting it together. I put the screen in and now I just need to tighten the screws. So wish me luck. Boom, we're back in business. So I installed the screen and I screwed in what screws I had. So there we go. There goes fixing my laptop. Woohoo, success. Guys, it's Gabriel here. Well, the video has concluded and I have finished. So please comment and like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.